and that's
we
what
do.
you're going to talk about.
Couple of problems.
And we do. And we're learning to that fact of the problem of Mother Nature. Yet once again, it is that time of the year of strong to possibly severe storms. So for tomorrow, it's going to be afternoon to evening storms developing, probably near 2 o'clock till about 8 or 9. All types of severe weather with those storms that pop up. Not everyone will see the storms. We have the rain and clouds lingering around going into Saturday. We go from near 80 degrees Friday to that high of only 65 on Saturday. If we have more clouds and rain sticking around, we might not make it out of the 50s. So just plan accordingly. So the severe storms possible for tomorrow. Timing about 2 to 9. More rain possible again overnight. Threats of large hail, very large hail, damaging winds, and maybe an isolated tornado. So the first alert futurecast, again, for tomorrow morning, you're not going to see a lot of cloud cover to start out. Warm front lifts its way on through, so we're going to be dealing with really a warm air mass in place. As this cold front starts to interact with that, we have the instability in place. By about 2 to 3, we start to see these storms developing right along the cold frontal boundary. As they get going, we're going to be really seeing them intensify fast between about 2 to 4 o'clock, seeing some of these storms maybe reach supercell structures. And with that, that's when they have the potential of very large hail and those damaging wind gusts. Making their way west to east right around the evening commute. So just keep that in mind. Parents getting the kids after school and then running some of those errands right around 5 to 6 o'clock. The potential of some supercell storms moving through the 35 corridor 5 to 6 to near 7 o'clock. By the time we go to about 7 to 8 o'clock, a lot of the activity shifting its way to the east sides of North Texas. Again, these are approximate times from our first alert futurecast. So the front sides its way to the east, but on the back side, we see that wraparound. Maybe some storms in the early morning hours on Saturday, but nothing severe on the way. So you're going to see a dismal start to your day on Saturday. There is that enhanced risk of severe storms that does include all of the Metroplex for those large hail possibilities, damaging winds, and isolated tornado threats. And so where you see this 30% chance, that's a 30% chance of having some hail. But then when you see this hatched area, that's a 10% chance of some of that hail being greater of 2 inches in diameter or larger, up to the size possibly of a tennis ball. So stay with the first alert futurecast. Meteorologist Amittis Brown having more coming up tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock. Right now it's clear and 61 degrees, so not too bad as you step on out of the door. It's going to be a cool night tonight. Our temperatures right now are sitting in the upper 40s to the low 50s in some spots. So a cool start, but a warmer day, 79. Front moves through 65. Let's wait till Sunday. 78 degrees and sunny skies on the way, and we stay warm into next week.